The Wetland Center in Sandspit, Karachi, established in 1998 through collaboration between WWF Pakistan, the Directorate General of International Support (DGIS) of the Government of the Netherlands, and the Karachi Port Trust (KPT), covers an area of 500 square meters provided by KPT. Situated at north 24 degrees 50.924, east 66 degrees 53.687, the Sandspit area comprises tidal lagoons, intertidal mudflats, and mangrove swamps, supporting diverse species like migratory birds, marine dolphins, crabs, and lobsters. The sandy beach of Sandspit serves as a crucial nesting habitat for marine turtles, attracting approximately 20,000 migratory birds during winter. Notably, the area has recorded 106 bird species, including both migratory and resident species. The vicinity is surrounded by 5 villages, where fishing stands as the primary livelihood for the local community. Mangrove forests cover around 400 hectares, heavily relied upon by over 50% of villagers for fuel wood, boat and house construction. Additionally, the villagers use mangrove leaves as fodder for livestock. This mangrove rehabilitation involving the local community. Efforts to improve socio-economic conditions included training programs conducted by WWF Pakistan. Through these initiatives, there has been an improvement in the community's perception and involvement in conservation activities. Sandspit Beach remains a prominent recreation site for both Karachi residents and tourists.